what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to French braid your own hair. And I am going to first show you how to do a braid close to your face, and then I'll show you how to braid back. So if you want to do like French braid pigtails or sleep-in braids for some nice waves, I'll show you how to do both of those things. So my hair is dirty, hence the hat, but dirty hair is good for French braiding. It's great. Braids are awesome for your dirty hair days. And so I'm still dealing with some like postpartum hair loss, baby hair growth stuff. Plus I still have some bangs that are growing out and they might stick out of the braid, but I will show you what you can do to bobby pin those at the end in case you have bangs that stick out at the end. I think that's it. So let's get started. So the smaller sections you take, the smaller your braid's gonna be. If you take larger sections, then your braid's gonna be bigger. So I just start with like an inch right here. Just make sure every section is nice and smoothed out. Take this back piece and put it in your fist. Take this middle section and your finger and your thumb, and take this front section in your fist. We're gonna just do a regular braid for now. Cross over into your middle finger. I just feel like this is the easiest fingering to keep everything tight. And then just pull tight between every single stitch. So now this is the front piece, this is the middle piece. Take it in your finger and your thumb, and this is the back piece. Still, we're gonna cross over to the middle. Make sure that you smooth that back piece out, otherwise you'll have bubbles. Then just take this middle section in your fist, take the middle section always in your finger and your thumb, and the front section cross over into your middle finger. This is where we add the hair, which if it's easier to just drop it, you can drop this piece and then it'll get picked up with the new hair, or you can just keep holding on to it in your middle finger. So it's crossed over, smooth the sections out, pull tight. This is now your front piece, your middle piece, your back piece. You're gonna cross over to the middle. I'm just gonna take from the back like this. I'm gonna put it in my middle finger, which you can also drop this back piece if you feel like you can't hold all of it, and it will get back in there. Make sure this back piece is smooth, like I said, or you'll get some bubbles. So now you can feel under here, get your middle piece, pull tight, take this new middle piece with your finger and thumb, cross the front section over, or drop it, either way. Cross that over, keep the hair smooth. Take the new front piece in your fist, the new middle piece in your finger and your thumb, and the back piece in your middle finger. You can either hold it, like I said, or you can drop it, it won't matter. Take this back piece, and you picked up that piece now, you know. That piece will be added to your piece. So make sure this is all nice and smooth. Now take your the middle piece from underneath, hold it in your fist, grab the middle piece with your finger and thumb, and you just repeat this fingering the whole way down, just as far as you want to go. I'm probably going to finish it off right here, so I'm just going to go down a couple stitches of regular braiding without adding hair. Then I'm kind of going to cross over this front section. Instead of trying to like X this and have the bobby pins poke out, I'm gonna take this front part of the French braid and kind of twist it to the back of the braid. Bobby pins will hold a lot more hair if you don't put as much hair in them. So try to just get this piece and push it in. And if you need to, grab another bobby pin, kind of put it over this bobby pin. That's a good way to kind of get your hair out of your face if it's bugging you, if it's dirty. Now, I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna show you how to French braid back. And your hands might get a little tired, but it'll be okay. You can part wherever you want. So I think I'm gonna just do the middle part and then also in the back. Hopefully it's straight. Okay, so we'll just get this side out of the way. Okay, so I'm not sure how to get the best angle here because I'm tall. I'm gonna kind of like crouch down so you can see it from here. So when I am doing somebody's hair, I just comb all this hair back. I take like a triangle in the front So you just wanna take this first section, split it with your fingers into 3 sections, do the same deal. You're going to have this in your fist, this in your finger and your thumb, and this in your fist. You're gonna cross over. Remember to do each side at least once. Cross over, add some new hair, make sure it's smooth. Cross over this section to the middle finger. Take this section into your fist, grab this new section in your finger and thumb, and then just keep doing that same thing all the way down until you have no more hair to add. Then you're just gonna do a regular braid and you are done. So it always helps to drop the hair. If you can't find it, just drop it and you'll feel it. Drop it on your finger. Pull tight, finger, thumb. And you can do this if you have like a 3-way mirror or something. You can keep checking with a hand mirror to see, but if you just do this by feel like I am, I'm not looking at it at all. If you know the fingering by feel, the braid will end up great. And if you just look at the front, if that's what you want to make sure looks good, just look at the front, make sure everything's nice and straight. Then you will do great. I like to tuck my finger around my ear to make sure I'm getting all the hair behind the ear right here. Grab the new piece in your fist. And I think holding it in your fist just makes it nice and tight. If your arms get tired, drop one. You're holding all the pieces you need in one hand every time you grab a new piece of hair. So rest your arm, let it drop for a second till you can reuse it. And then grab all the pieces you need to on this side and drop this arm till you can get back up here, because your arms will start to burn just because they're not used to being up like this for so long. So just drop it, let it relax. Now just finish off your braid. And when you feel like you are secure with your pieces, pull it to the front, because then your arms can rest. They'll like be sitting a little lower and they can rest better. But keep track of what your pieces are. You can just use a regular elastic like this, or if your hair is thinner like mine, and you'll have to wrap this 1,000 times to get it to work, I just use these little elastics. All right, so I think the front looks nice and tight. The back might be a little bubbly, but it's okay. I think it's great. It'll stay in overnight if you want to sleep in it for some waves the next day. So that is that. I'm just gonna finish up this side. Very cute, very cute. All right, so now if you have any of these bubbles, all you have to do is just take this and kind of push it in under the braid, forcing it to go the direction that hair is going in the braid, and it'll stay. I mean, that's better for sure. If it is not staying, you could always get a bobby pin, and then you can just like take only that piece of hair like that, and then shove it into the braid, and it will be pretty hidden. Okay, and that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!